So any YouTube channel to get the best way to promote by videos on YouTube channel. Here we can promote by particular one video. They increase only for particular one video views. To increase the total YouTube channel video views, this will be increased by total YouTube channel video views. So first of all, here is option is I'm using for Twitter. Twitter it will show will be like this. Total large image. Here I'm not using any kind of tools, any kind of third-party softwares. I'm using for only for Twitter existing option. The name is called Twitter cards. Selected by the Twitter ads. When Twitter cards enable, when you based on the post, you based on the tweet, Twitter cards will be enabled. So that will be here. Open your Twitter cards. When enable, based on your Twitter post and ads, the Twitter cards will be enabled. Here option call is select card. This option will be only for eligible by Twitter cards only. Select by Twitter cards. Here you can select by the card library. Which one? Card library. In this card library, you can advertise your any kind of YouTube channel. You can select by particular image, particular video. Two options are eligible. Video and image, but I can promote by using image. Select create a card. Option call is website card. Website card, YouTube card, both are same. Select your YouTube channel URL. Select your image. Select your title. And create. After creating card with the URL, with the image, with the proper title. Now coming to tweet. Coming to tweet. Any Twitter, when we are posting time, they accept only for 255 characters. Here, any Twitter card will be promoting any kind of video. We have the two options. One is scheduled post and your on-time tweet. This will right now disable. Now it is enabled. On-time tweet and scheduled post. Here, any kind of posting, the important one is called writing for hashtags. Select it. Is it clear? What you mentioned for www.youtube.com. So in this one, small information you can add it. Add YouTube. Remove the promote only. Click for tweet. I'm not using any kind of tools, any kind of third-party software. Coming to Twitter. Comment tweets 3516. Now going to tweet. The total YouTube channel we can promote by particular one image. The image will be very clarity. To user will be attract. User will be attract. So anyone we can like will be here, retweet and go for reply. They're using three options. So this will be uploaded by always top. Select by the here, pin to your profile page. Is always your top in the Twitter page. Always top in the Twitter page. You can refresh. Was it? Pin it tweet. So anyone coming to your Twitter, first of all they check the your first tweet. Why is always in the top. Increase your Twitter followers, likes, and comments to engage the audience to follow your Twitter profile. Anything will be large image to address your kind of options. It's a very important particular Twitter option.